Hi students, welcome back to Learn with Miss Aira. Today, we are talking about 5 common mistakes students make while using ChatGPT. If you avoid these mistakes, your study results can improve immediately. Let's start. Mistake number 1. Asking very vague questions. If you type something like explain math, the answer will be too general. Instead, be specific. For example, say, explain quadratic equations in simple words for a class 10 student. Specific questions give powerful answers. Mistake number 2. Copying answers without understanding. ChatGPT is not a shortcut for exams. Always read carefully and understand the explanation before using it. Mistake number 3. Not giving clear instructions. Instead of saying make notes, say create short bullet point revision notes under 200 words. Clear instructions improve output quality. Mistake number 4. Trusting everything blindly. AI can sometimes make small errors. Always double-check important facts from textbooks or trusted sources. Mistake number 5. Using ChatGPT only for answers. Smart students use it to generate quizzes, practice questions, flashcards, and explanations. Use AI as a study partner, not a replacement for learning. If this video helped you, subscribe to Learn with Miss Aira for more AI study tips. And comment below which mistake you are making before today. See you in the next video.